The 71st Plenary of the Northeastern Council unfolded at the State Convention Centre in Shillong on the 19th of January 2024. Presided over by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the session featured the presence of Union Minister for Donor G. Kishan Reddy, along with governors and chief ministers from northeastern states. Leaders such as Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangma, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Nagaland Neiphu, Mizoram Chief Minister Lalduhawma, Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu, and Chief Minister of Sikkim Prem Tamang attended. Key presentations included NEC Secretary Moses Chalai's overview of the 2023-24 Action Plan and progress on the Northeastern Council Vision 2047 document, as well as briefings by the Secretary to the Ministry of Donor Chanchal Kumar and NEC's Planning Financial Advisor. The focus encompassed investment policies, Industry 4.0, logistics enhancement, and inter-regional trade for Northeast development.
One camera, please.
May I request the principals, the Secretary NEC, Shri K. Moses Chalai, to kindly leave the meeting. We would also like to felicitate our members. Once again, a humble request to the unauthorized journalists to kindly leave the premises. The much needed information and press releases will be shared with all the media houses. Thank you for your cooperation. Our Honorable Chairman of Northeastern Council, Shri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Home Minister, is now lighting the ceremonial lamp and accompanied by the Vice Chairman, Shri G. Kishan Reddy, Honorable Minister Donor, and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. This occasion on the 71st Plenary